Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to use the automatic zoom feature. This feature is designed for users who want to zoom in on a particular location around or on their roof. You can do this easily with your mouse. Instead of using the mouse pad to zoom in, simply left-click and drag with your mouse. Select the area you want to zoom in on. For example, if I want to design the garage, I'll click, drag, and select that location. As soon as I release the mouse button, the selected roof or area will automatically zoom in. This feature provides better clarity, helping you identify obstacles on the roof or nearby objects and allowing you to design with optimal accuracy. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.